Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed, and what a day we had. No, we actually made money today to the point where we have actually made up 50% of that horrible drawdown in March. And I finally had the courage to sit down and figure that all out today. I had just been ignoring it because I knew it was bad, and when I figured it out, it was even worse than I thought it was. I mean, I can't believe what happened to us last month. It's unbelievable. And in February, we had a fabulous month. You know, I am looking at those 2 months, February and March, and realizing that February was the best trading month I have ever had in 20 years of trading history, and March was my worst month that I ever had in 20 years. And you put these two months together, and hey man, if that isn't going to turn a trader a little bit psycho, I don't know what would. But anyway, that's the bad news. But by the way, I still had profits at the end of March, you know, if I count what I had in February, plus we had a decent month in January too. So anyway, you know, we're looking good. But after only 2 days in April, we have made up 50% of that drawdown. So that's just the greatest news for me and for any of you out there that traded this thing all through last month. You know, my heartiest congratulations. It was just unbelievably tough to do that. But anyway, we're getting a payback now. And today we got payback. I closed out $41,442 in winning trades. That's right, over $41,000 in winning trades we closed out today, and we are carrying over $6,000 in open trade equity. So you combine that with yesterday, we're well over $50,000 in what we've taken out of these markets in the first 2 days of April. So that's fabulous, and I'm on cloud 9. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see we just had this fabulous last 3 days, and it set us up so beautifully. 3 days ago we had this move. I think it was 130 some points on the Dow on that move, but the main thing about that is it got us through the red line. And then yesterday we had another strong move, 75 points or something like that. Took us higher above the red line, but it also set us up beautifully to come in today and take over $40,000 in profits. And the Dow moved up about 40 points today. So, you know, with the kind of setup we had yesterday, we could have come in today and had a pretty neutral day, even a slightly down day. We still would have done pretty well. But, you know, getting 40 points more in the Dow, that just really sealed it for us. Just a beautiful setup here. 3 consecutive winning days in a row, and that's just fabulous. Now, whether we're going to have a 4th day tomorrow is just kind of problematical. It wouldn't surprise me if the Dow took a little rest, but it can take a little rest, so we'll still get out of the trades we have all right, I believe. So I don't anticipate any serious problems for tomorrow. I just show you some of the interesting charts here. This is in Autobutyl, which we got into today, and it was a really nice trade. And this market is usually pretty good to us. We had one bad trade. We got on the wrong side of a earnings report with Autobutyl. But otherwise, it's been a really good market. And today we jumped into this right as soon as we could, 30 minutes into the day, and it just kept going very nicely. And we are holding over $4,000 in Autobutyl, and that's accounting for most of our open trade equity positive that we're taking into tomorrow. Show you another good trade. This is a closeout trade that we took today, and that is in China Sun Energy, CSUN. Oh, just a beautiful trade. We gotten that into that yesterday, and it just kept going, and then it gapped up very nicely, and we got out of here not at the high, but pretty close to it, and that was good for $6,000, and just a really great trade. I'll show you the last one I want to show you, because this is basically a new trade for us. We did get into this yesterday right on the close. This is Tesla Motors, and I like Tesla Motors. Tesla Motors has been good to us, and we got into this trade, and then it gapped up a little today, and it kept going very nicely, and we got out here, $1,800 I think, or something like that, and then of course we jump right back in, and then it takes off again. But that's good. We didn't really miss much of this move, and this total move is close to $3,000 going for us right now in Tesla Motors. So I anticipate we'll do pretty well with that. Closed near its high. So an absolutely fabulous day today. We, as I say, we've actually made up 50% of this unbelievable, horrible record drawdown that we had last month, and we have made that up in the first 2 days of April. So I'm happy, and I'm looking forward to a really good month. So this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow on Thursday.